Hi everyone! Kamusta? My name is Rayo. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Andito tayo ngayon sa Vietnam and I've been exploring for the past day. Actually, kahapon lang ako dumating and I flew in. Tapos, okay naman siya. Nakakapanibago kasi it's been a while since I was here, no? I remember nag-work pa ako nung last na pinapunta ako dito nung company ko for a training event. And ngayon, I'm just exploring the city and I've been looking at a lot of products, of course. I'm just getting a few more creative ideas kung ano nga ba yung mga maganda pang products na pwede nating pagkuhaan ng inspiration. And it actually led me to meeting a friend of mine. Kasama ko siya sa work before and isa rin sa nasabi niya sa akin is I'm very lucky dahil nakapag-focus ako ngayon sa business and medyo maganda yung takbo ng business ngayon. Pero guys, alam nyo ba, hindi lang talaga luck yung nagdala sa akin ng success ko. Success. If you may call it success, no? Ewan ko, medyo hindi siya pasok sa akin. Pero there's really a lot more. And in this video, I'm gonna share kung ano nga ba yung mga kailangan natin aside from luck only. So I hope kung nag-iisip pa kayo, no, na hinahanap ninyo yung sign, hinahanap ninyo yung perfect time, hinahanap ninyo yung swerte ninyo, no, sa pagbe-business. I hope this is something na makatulong sa inyo habang nag-iisip pa kayo. Side story guys, nag-fly in ako kahapon via PAL Business Class and yung binili kong product, kumbaga parang syempre sa website medyo napakaganda ng seats, no, napakaganda ng service from the heart, sabi nga nilang gano'n.
Pier 59128, sir, welcome to business class. Second row, right side. Okay. Andun daw yung
nung nandun ka na, nung na-enjoy mo na siya, ibang-iba yung service na nakuha mo, ibang-iba yung product na nakuha mo. And comparing it to my other flights also na available for us, syempre meron ng comparison. Medyo sayang lang, I think there's a big opportunity for PAL to really upgrade naman talaga sana yung kanilang services. Pero given, medyo luma na talaga yung interior ng ating airplanes, I think yung service naman sana medyo gumanda. Dadalawa lang kami sa business class, tapos hindi pa kami na-address by name. Medyo iba lang from the other services na na-enjoy ko. I think there's just an opportunity. I hope wag niyong masamain, pero looking at it from a business perspective, talagang maganda kung ano yung nakapost, kung ano yung binebenta mo, di ba? That is also something na kailangan mong maibigay and mai-produce kapag yun yung promise na binibigay mo para sa mga customers mo. Sayang lang, there's just I hope you look at it as an opportunity. Yan. And talking about opportunities, di ba? Meron kasi tayong connect doon eh. So, talking about opportunities, guys, luck, I would say, in the simplest form, really gives us three other things involved. And of course, no, pag-uusapan natin yan. Yung opportunity, guys, is really something na kailangan nating makita. Let me talk to you more about that. I worked in big companies before. I worked in JP Morgan Chase, I worked with Globe Telecom, I worked with Adidas as well. And ang dami kong opportunity na natutunan sa kanila. Hard lessons in my life yung talagang natutunan ko. I will not say na nag-enjoy lang ako. I will not say na hindi ako nahirapan. It was really difficult, no, at that time. Talagang mahirap yung trabaho, malaki yung kailangan kong gawin, pero ang ganda ng opportunities na binigay nila sa akin and led me to bigger things na pwede kong magawa. Kailangan ninyong hanapin, kailangan ninyong gawin yung opportunities na yun. Paano? So in my case ngayon, lahat ng mga clients na meron sa akin is not something na lumapit na lang, no? Parang sila yung naghanap ng product and nagtanong, kumatok sa akin, ganyan. Hindi. talagang I made sure na yung opportunity for my business is something na kailangan ko talagang pagtrabahuhan. What I did is to make sure na hahanapin ko sila. I'm sure marami rin mga business owners na makaka-relate sa akin when I say na hindi siya madali. Diba? Hindi naman talaga madali yung pag-establish ng business natin. And actually feel the same way kasi talagang ginawan ko ng paraan para makuha ko yung mga clients ko. So, talagang tumawag ako sa kanila, nakipag-meeting ako sa kanila, pumunta ako sa opisina nila, they said no, or some of them said no, some of them said a promise na bibigyan nila ako ng chance, ng opportunity as well para magkaroon ng project sa kanila. Up until now, marami akong mga ganong clients, no? Gumawa ako ng project, gumawa ako ng samples for them. Of course, nagkaroon tayo ng costs, no, nakasama doon. Pero in the end, wala rin. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin tayong nakuhang project for them. That's alright. Okay lang siya. As long as you see it as an opportunity for you to learn from it as well. So, kapag meron akong mga bagong clients na nakakausap, I also make sure na medyo mas smart tayo ngayon na makipag-usap sa kanila. We need to also protect our business in making sure na hindi natin gagawin yung same mistakes na ginawa natin from those other lost opportunities. Kailangan talaga malaman natin as business owners kung ano yung pwede natin gawing opportunities para sa sarili natin, para sa business natin. Pangalawa dyan is to make sure that you are prepared for it as well. Another part of luck is preparation. Kung hindi ka ready, you will never be able to get yourself out there and make your own opportunity. Guys, hindi ko sinasabing kailangan maging smart tayo. Hindi ko sinasabing kailangan natin maging matalino. Karamihan ng mga matatalinong kakilala ko, guys, matataas ang posisyon sa kanilang office. Diba yung kailangan mong gawin for your own business as well? Ano tong mga to? So, of course, kailangan mong aralin yung product mo. Aalamin mo talaga kung ano yung product mo. Iisipin mo kung sino, no? Kung sino yung kinakausap mong customer. Kung ano yung problema ng customer mo na binibigyan mo ng opportunity, na binibigyan mo ng solution. It doesn't mean na sasagutin mo yung problema nila. No, not really. But making sure na, syempre, kung ano yung binibenta mo sa kanila will solve a problem na relatable dun sa pinaka-customer mo. Yun yung kailangan mong magawa na kailangan i-prepare mo yung sarili mo. Ano nga ba yun? Ano nga ba yung kailangan mong gawin? Most times, you really have to be humble and listen to other people as well. Kailangan mong mag-aral kung kailangan mong mag-aral. And make sure, guys, na yung tinatawag nating soft launch is something na pwede mo ring ma-take into consideration. Hindi kasi natin masasabi na prepared na tayo for it 100%. Kapag talagang nag-launch ka ng sarili mong business. At least I speak for myself na nung nag-start ako ng business, hindi talaga nag-fly, hindi talaga lumipad yung aking idea ng pins, no? Sa totoo lang, hindi siya yung ganon na parang, meron akong 100 na items, meron akong 100 pieces ng items, and 100 pieces na yan, mabibenta ko. Nagko-compute pa ako nun kung magkano kagad yung makukuha kong pera kung magkano yung babalik sa akin. But it's not really that way. So, I have to strategize differently. Meron akong ibang ginawang preparation para sa sarili ko kung paano ko makakausap yung mga clients na pwedeng bumili at gawan ko ng product specific to the items na pwede kong ibigay at ibenta para sa kanila. So, you really need to make sure na prepared tayo for that. And lastly, guys, is really more on visibility. Ano nga ba yung visibility? So, kagaya ko na meron akong platform online, this is actually a way for me to be visible sa mga customers or sa mga viewers na kagaya ninyo. If you're interested to know more about business, you really need to make sure that you're visible to it as well. You need to attract, no? Kailangan ninyo siyang ma-attract. In a way, guys, sinasabi rin natin na ang luck, ginagawa rin natin siya. Diba? Hindi naman darating yan ng ganyan-ganyan lang So, kailangan natin gawan ng paraan na ma-attract din natin yung visibility na yun. So, in a way guys, sa business, kailangan rin natin to be out there. What do I mean by that? Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako with my brand for Philippines, I needed to make sure that people will be able to see the product as well. So, paano ko siya ginawa? Pumunta ako sa mga bazaars, pumunta ako sa mga events. Actually, there are times na pupunta ako sa mga company events kung saan may mga kiosk silang tinatayo sa mga offices nila. I really make my time to be there as well, to be visible sa mga customers ko. In the end, it actually gave me some way para magkaroon lang ng likes or followers sa aking Instagram page. At the time, yun kasi yung pinaka-platform for me to sell the products before. Facebook ads can help you as well, of course. But para sa akin, I want to make money. Ayokong gumastos for it. So, medyo balik tayo sa sinaunang panahon kung saan word of mouth yung ginamit natin for marketing. And it paid off, no? It paid off kung paano ko nakuha yung mga clients ko. It paid off na magkaroon ako ng experience from before kung saan yung selling skills talagang nandyan. And masasabi ko sa sarili ko na mahirap yung work. Malaki talaga yung work na involved for it. Pero it really does come to you na, I don't know, 5 folds, 10 folds ang balik. I know you would agree with me when I say na gagawin mo talaga ang lahat para maging successful yung business mo. Tatlo na parts ng luck or swerte: opportunity, preparation, and visibility. Kailangan talaga you need to grab it. Kailangan talaga you have to do it. Kasi kapag hindi mo siya gagawin, wala lang yun. Sayang lang yun. Narinig mo lang siya, nakita mo lang siya, and then that's it. Para lang yung social media na kapag nag-scroll up ka, wala na. Kapag nag-refresh ka ng page, wala na. So, sayang. Similarly, guys, kapag hindi kayo nag-subscribe sa channel na to, wala na. Baka hindi nyo na makita ulit. So, I hope nagkaroon kayo ng some ideas about this video on luck and business. And this is something na nag-translate para sa inyo. Kung meron kayong questions, take the opportunity, guys. Be visible and make sure na mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong questions, of course. Yan. If ever that you want to have a one-on-one coaching with me, you can also message my Facebook page, no? And I'll go see the rest of the city kasi I'm only here until Friday. And of course, make opportunities for myself and growing the business as well. Maraming pong salamat for watching this video. I'll see you sa susunod na clip. Bye-bye!